How to add TRON on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add TRON on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TRON on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for TRON. To add TRON on your Trust Wallet, simply toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage, scroll down and click on TRON. Now simply tap on receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive TRON from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add TRON on Trust Wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.